Hello everybody, it is Shifu Don, and in this video we are going to be going over seizing. So we're going to be seizing the feet, we're going to be seizing the spine, and we're going to be seizing the dantian. So hang tight, we're going to get right into that right now. So the first one that I'm going to do is I'm going to seize the feet, and I'm going to move my partner by seizing the feet. So we'll do that 2 times. Okay. Next, the next exercise, we're going to seize the spine. We'll do 2 of those. And then the next exercise, we're going to seize the dantian. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. And if you're ready to take this transformative Tai Chi journey, go ahead and click the link in the description and get signed up to our online Tai Chi program. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe and have yourself a blessed day. Oh yeah, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family so that they can learn about the transformative journey of Tai Chi as well.